Welcome to Learning Reaper. I am your host, X.E.L.O. And today what I want to do is actually talk about Complete Start. I've talked about this in the past video, but they've added a couple of things inside of Complete Start that I believe that people will definitely need if you're actually using Reaper. So just the fact that Reaper doesn't actually come with sounds. I'm going to do a couple more videos letting you know different options you do have with the Complete Start, which comes with Kontakt 8 player. And I'm going to show you some VSTs and things you can get inside of Kontakt Player 8 that you definitely will need or use in the future. So let's get started. Let me show you where to go to get it. Let's go. All right, so here we are on Native Instruments site. This is Complete Start, so you can get it and download it for free. You can download now, or you can go right here where it says free download. Really easy to download. I just want to kind of show you some of the things that it actually comes with. It comes with ROM, which is a very dope reverb. You have some tools that you have in there. It has some ozone stuff. This guitar rig is definitely something you might need, and the band stuff is also included as well. So with the newer version, you actually have this massive X player now. There's something new that they kind of released out there. So you can, if you're a person that does a lot of synthesis and synthesizers and things like that, massive X player actually comes with Complete Start. So if it's something that you do need or you want to try, I would definitely try it out and see how it works. Complete Start, like I said, is absolutely free. You can download it. You get all these things included in there. You have this bass music instruments. So you have a couple of different things where you get some different bass sounds. They have Leap, which is basically almost like a free version of Arcade. I will be doing a video on this in the future, so definitely stay tuned for that. If you haven't already, make sure you are liking and subscribing to the channel so you can actually see these new videos coming up for learning Reaper. All right, so they have this pack comes with it. So there's a couple of packs that come with the Leap feature, which is basically like a tool that they actually have inside of Kontakt 8, right? And you get the drums as well. So here's the drums. Here is the lo-fi vibes. You get Analog Dreams, which is a very cool sounding, I guess it says it's vintage kind of 80s sound. You get the Haifa, Eternal Earth, Jacob Colliers Audience Choir. This is super dope. If you have Kontakt and you haven't downloaded this, I highly suggest to get it. It's really nice, really good stuff that he put together for absolutely free. You have your factory section, which is always a good thing to have. This Ying Peng, which is like a sound from like a Chinese hammered dulcimer, right? And you have a Irish harp. And you get all these other things as chord tool, phrases tool, and a pattern tool. And here are the effects. So the effects that you definitely want to get this for would be ROM. ROM is something that I still use. Guitar rig is really good if you're a person that does need different kind of guitar amps. They sound really good inside of a guitar rig player. So I would definitely suggest to get that. This Trash Light is really dope too if you're a person that does like different sound designs. It gives you options to do like different distortions and things like that on your sounds, right? So the supercharger is more like a compressor, and this is more like a delay plugin that they have. Really good. Isotope vinyl. If you're a person that does a lot of lo-fi things like that, this is definitely a go-to if you do that. And they have an imager where you can actually spread out your stuff, and it's actually a really good imager that they actually have for free with Complete Start. So like I said, it's on the website. I should have the link below in the description of the video. I'm going to go over more of these later on in later videos, but let's just pull up Reaper and kind of see how it flows in there. All right, so here we are in Reaper, and this theme is called Reaper Tips. I also have a Reaper configuration file on the website. If you want to actually have these same things that I have set up inside of my Reaper, inside of your Reaper, you can download that at my website, xelohh.com. It should be below in the description of this video as well. So let's get started. I'm going to actually go to my track instrument templates, and I have one for Kontakt 8. This also does come, this Kontakt 8 one does come with the reconfiguration file. So it is actually in there for the reconfiguration file. So I have them all laid out so you can actually use Kontakt any way you kind of want to. So it has up to 16 tracks already laid out for you, already mapped. So if you do need to do that, it's really easy to do that. All right. All right. So here we are in Kontakt Player. So this is Kontakt Player 8. And I'm going to go to up here to where it has the library. So this is like an older way to kind of look at your stuff inside there. So you have an option to do classic view, or you can hit F10 to actually go back to the classic view. So this is the classic view of Kontakt. If you're more familiar with this, this is an easier way to kind of find things inside here. As you see, I have a lot of things inside here, and these are actually free to download as well. I'll probably go over them on another video. All right. So here is the premium selection thing. This is what you'll actually get with Kontakt. So you'll have the analog dreams, you have the eternal earth, and you have the hybrid keys. These actually come with complete start. So I'm going to do the analog dreams. Let's pull it up. Just double click it and it's going to go over here. So, right. And you have like two sections that you can actually use inside here to make something. So we're just going to make something really quick inside. All right, let's change the sound. Let's go with some pads. All right, so let's just do something really quick. I'm gonna do a 4-bar loop on here. Let's add our MIDI onto this track. All right, let's see if we can record. All right, something really simple that you can actually add in here. But as you can hear, the sound is really, really nice with this. So if you wanted to actually add another thing into Kontakt, so let's go to the Eternal Earth. So over here, there's a little option to kind of minimize. So let's see if it'll let us do another track this way. All right. So in order for you to see the outs, you're going to go right here to the view. There's a little drop down for the view right here. And you want to go to outs and it'll show you your outs. And if you want to do your batch, and you want to clear out section and create one individual channel for each loaded instrument. So this is the one we want to do. All right. So I'm going to grab this and drag it down to this second one. I'm going to hold down control, drag this down. So now we have the Eternal Earth and the hybrid keys. Right, so if we need to add more, we basically are going to do the same exact thing in here and kind of just do more. If that's what you want to do with the Kontakt stuff, like I said, it comes with a lot of things inside here. So if you wanted to, you can go to the factory library. This is the new factory library that they have. So I'm gonna go to instruments. So you have acoustic stuff, you have band, you have beats. So let's go to acoustic. And let's find a, let's do a mallet, right? So I'm gonna grab this and drag it over. All right, so let's make sure we add one for this one too. So it should be on this one, right? So we have this instrument on this track as well. So let's do that. I'm going to close out of Kontakt here. I'm going to grab this. I'm going to drag it down And what I'm going to do is get rid of this bottom note for it. So I'm going to hit the Q on here to quantize them. So I'm going to quantize them, and now all of them should be the same exact length and sound. So what I want to do is kind of ARP these. So I do have a script, this one right here, so I can do an ARP for these notes. So I'm just going to drag this up, and this is also, like I said, included inside of the pack. So now I can change it going up or down, or I can do the, you know, different types. So whichever way you kind of want to do it, you can actually have that option. Right, so really cool, really simple way to kind of get that stuff started in there. So we can go back into Kontakt. All right, and we also have that factory. We're going to go back into the factory library and see if we can find some drum kits. All right, so let's see. Let's try this one. It's called the Downtown Kit. And once again, I'm going to batch route these. Usually you want to do this in the beginning before you start making the beat, but as I'm making it, as you see, I'm just trying to add them as I go along. And then I can randomize these just on this. And brings this up so I can kind of randomize the velocities. All right, so there you have it. You have a way to actually add instruments inside of Kontakt from Complete Start. These are some of the really cool features that they actually have in there, and I want to show you. All right, so I use this ROM as like a bus, and I want to try to add it onto that sound on this one. So let's see if it'll let me do it. All right, I'm gonna go to reverb. As you can hear the ROM on there. So this is what the ROM looks like. All right, and you have a whole bunch of different presets in here that you can actually use. Some really, really dope stuff. right? Right, so you have these options with Complete Start, and this is what makes it really a dope way to actually get sounds and effects for free. So if you haven't already, make sure you guys have liked and subscribed to the video. Let me know what's your favorite feature that is in Complete Start. Definitely download it. The link should be below in the description of this video. And like I said, if you're interested in actually getting the Reaper configuration files, it is available on my website, xelohh.com. The link should also be below in the description of this video. Well, until the next time, thank you for watching Learning Reaper. Peace.
Hey you, yes you. YouTube wants you to watch this video next, man. Go ahead and click it. I'll wait. Nah, I'm just playing. I'm not gonna keep waiting here. All right, I will see you in the next video though. Peace.